Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your everyday life a little easier. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super relevant for couples managing their finances together: how to share Copilot money with your spouse. If you're not familiar, Copilot is a handy app designed for tracking and sharing expenses, budgets, and financial goals. It's perfect for couples who want to stay on the same page without the hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first. Why should you share your Copilot money with your spouse? Well, it's all about transparency and teamwork. When you're both in the loop on spending, savings, and bills, it reduces arguments and helps you build a stronger financial future together. Plus, with features like shared budgets and real-time updates, it's a game changer for busy couples. Step 1. Get the app set up. If you haven't already, both you and your spouse need to download the Copilot app from your app store. It's free to start, and you'll create individual accounts using your email or phone number. Make sure to verify your accounts to unlock all the features. Next, link your accounts. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings menu and look for the Share Access or Add Family Member option. Here, you can invite your spouse by entering their email or generating a unique link. They'll get a notification to accept the invitation, and boom, your accounts are connected. Now, for the fun part: customizing your shared setup. Decide what to share, like joint bank accounts, credit cards, or even specific categories like groceries or utilities. Copilot makes it easy to set joint budgets, so you can allocate money for date nights or family trips without any confusion. Don't forget to review and communicate regularly. Set aside time each week to check in on your shared dashboard. This way, you can adjust plans as needed and celebrate your progress together. In conclusion, sharing Copilot money with your spouse is a simple way to foster trust and financial harmony. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to a smoother money management routine. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you next time.